the French army is testing a new generation of interceptor drones. These tests are taking place in the Mediterranean Sea, on the island of Levant. This location provides controlled conditions for realistic military scenarios, including aerial threats and interception exercises. The 54th Artillery Regiment of the French Army has begun tactical trials of unmanned interceptor drones. Their mission is clear: to destroy enemy unmanned aerial vehicles directly in the air. The French military is developing a specialized short-range air defense system. Its primary purpose is to counter loitering munitions, also known as barrage drones. These weapons have become one of the most dangerous and widespread threats in modern warfare. To achieve this goal, the army is working with two companies, Destinus and Harmattan AI. These companies provide advanced drone platforms capable of high-speed interception and autonomous targeting. The core idea is simple but revolutionary. Instead of using missiles or artillery to destroy drones, one drone is used to intercept another. This creates a completely new form of aerial combat, drone versus drone. Traditional air defense systems are expensive and slow to deploy. Interceptor drones are fast, flexible, and significantly cheaper. The General Directorate of Armaments has already created specialized operator groups. These units are trained to detect, track, and neutralize aerial threats in real time. Multiple real-world interception tests have already been conducted. The program is being closely monitored at the highest level. The tests were supervised by General Pierre Schill, Chief of Staff of the French Army. Several critical parameters are being evaluated in detail. First, launch speed, the time between detecting a threat and launching the interceptor. This determines whether the system can react fast enough in real combat. Tracking capability, the ability to follow fast, maneuvering aerial targets under changing conditions. Interception accuracy, the ability to collide with or disable the target drone. Operational endurance and the ability to conduct repeated missions. Operational endurance is key. Finally, swarm capability, the possibility of deploying multiple interceptors simultaneously. Modern conflicts have demonstrated the effectiveness of loitering munitions. One of the most well-known examples is the Iranian-made Shahed drone. These drones are relatively cheap, easy to deploy, and capable of long-range strikes from multiple directions. They overwhelm traditional air defense. Traditional interception methods rely on missiles. Each interception can cost hundreds of thousands of dollars. Meanwhile, the attacking drone costs only a fraction of that. This creates a major economic imbalance. Interceptor drones aim to solve this problem by providing a low-cost, high-volume countermeasure. The interceptor drones operate in patrol zones. They remain in a waiting state until a threat is detected. Once activated, they rapidly accelerate toward the target. They use onboard sensors and guidance systems to lock onto the drone. The interception can occur via direct collision or kinetic destruction. This method eliminates the need for expensive missiles and ensures the threat is neutralized at close range. One of the most important aspects of this system is scalability. Multiple interceptor drones can be deployed at once to counter swarm attacks. Swarm capability is essential in modern warfare, where multiple drones attack simultaneously to saturate defenses. The program continues to evolve, testing various platforms and AI systems to ensure maximum effectiveness on the battlefield. The results of these tests are expected by mid-2026. They will determine whether the French army adopts interceptor drones as a standard defense tool. If successful, this technology could redefine short-range air defense worldwide, becoming the primary method of countering drone threats. Interceptor drones represent a fundamental shift in military strategy. They are faster, cheaper, and more scalable. They change the very economics of warfare. This is not just a new weapon, it is the beginning of a new era in aerial combat. Like and subscribe for more deep military and future warfare analysis.